Hey savvy innovators! Today on Savvy Tricks, we're about to transform these empty plastic bottles into a functional and stylish stand. Let's get started. First, take 6 half-liter plastic bottles. Now, take a scale and mark the bottle at 5 centimeters. Now, use a marker and draw a line on sides of bottle. Now, take a cutter knife and cut the bottle along the line. We've taken these bottles at a size of 5 centimeters, but you can choose your own size according to your needs. Great! Cut all the bottles in the same way. Keep their caps as well. Now, use a soldering iron to make hole in all caps. Now, take a metal rod and use a ruler and marker to mark every 5 centimeters. We're marking these points so that the bottles can space evenly on the stand and it looks good. Now, use a drill machine to make holes at those marks. Now, take caps, 6 screws, and 2 hooks. Use the drill to widen each hole in the caps. Now, tighten each cap onto the rod with screws. Attach each cap securely with screws so that your stand becomes strong and doesn't break later. Repeat the process. Now, attach each bottle onto the caps. Repeat this process also. Attach the hook onto the top of the rod. Now, attach nails to the wall and hang the rod. You can hang brushes, umbrellas, and other items on the stand. You can find this stand online for around $3 to $6, but by making it at home, you can easily save your money. Thanks for tuning into Savvy Tricks. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe for more practical DIY videos. Stay savvy and see you in our next video.